In this video, I'll show you how to get YouTube Premium or YouTube TV on Roku. Firstly, on your Roku remote, press the home button to navigate to the home page. Then, go to the search option and then press OK on your remote. In the search bar, type YouTube and select YouTube TV from the search results. Press OK, then select Add Channel and press OK. To install the YouTube TV on your Roku device, wait for the installation to complete, and after it is, you can select Go to Channel and press OK to open YouTube TV immediately. You'll be prompted to sign in or sign up for a free trial. Follow the on-screen instructions to complete the process, and that's it. Enjoy streaming YouTube TV on your Roku device. Thank you guys for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.